In this video, I'll show you how to verify your business in Facebook Business Manager, step by step. Business verification helps confirm that your business is legitimate and gives you access to certain Meta Business features. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the account that manages your business. Next, click Settings, then open Business Settings. In the left menu, select Security Center. If your business is eligible, you'll see the Start Verification button. Click it to begin the process. Review your business information, including your legal business name, address, phone number, email, and website, and make sure everything is accurate. Meta may ask you to upload official documents, such as your business registration certificate, tax document, or utility bill, to verify your business details. Follow the on-screen instructions and submit the required documents. After submitting your request, Meta will review your information, which may take several days. You can check the verification status anytime from the Security Center. Once your business is verified, you'll be able to access additional Meta Business features and manage your assets more securely. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.